Today we're going to be looking at how to multiply integers. Specifically, we're going to be looking at how to multiply a negative integer by another negative integer. We have a couple of examples that we're going to work through together here, so let's get started. For question number 1, we're being asked to multiply -5 by -2. And as we can see up top here, highlighted in yellow, whenever we're multiplying integers that have the same signs, our answer is going to be a positive product. So when we multiply -5 times -2, we can think of this as multiplying 5 times 2, which we know gives us 10. So when we multiply -5 times -2, we get the product of positive 10. To explain why exactly we end up with a positive product when we've just multiplied two negative numbers, let's break apart this equation a little bit. Our second negative here, our -2 in this equation, tells us that we're going to be subtracting something twice. So we're going to be subtracting something twice, so we're going to write that down. And then what we're going to be subtracting twice is our -5. So we're going to be subtracting our -5 twice. And whenever we're subtracting a negative integer, we can think of it as someone taking away a debt and giving us that money. So if I have two groups of -5, or I have two debts of $5, and someone comes along and gives me $5 and $5, well, I'm going to end up having $10 in my pocket. So it's going to be a positive 10. So now moving on to question number 2, this time we're being asked to multiply -8 times -3. And we are going to end up with a positive product because we're multiplying two negatives, so we can think of this as multiplying 8 times 3. Well, we know that when we multiply 8 times 3, we get the product of 24. So when we multiply -8 times -3, we get the product of positive 24. So hopefully by now you understand how to multiply integers. Specifically, how to multiply a negative integer by another negative integer. Help make math less complicated by smashing those like and subscribe buttons. As always, enjoy today's math journey.